Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can fix lag and FPS drop in Skate 4, okay? Now keep in mind that this is a newly released game and it's still in early access, so you might have some performance issues and it might not be the fault of the game completely because it's not really out yet, okay? So maybe if you just wait a little bit of time, it will be better with time, okay? But that being said, because it's a new game, keep it sure that you have your updated GPU drivers, okay? It's always a good idea to update them to the latest version, whether you're using AMD or NVIDIA. Now let's go to the graphical options to kind of make some tweaks in here. Let's press this X to go to the settings menu. Let's go to settings, graphics. Now, first of all, guys, let's disable VSync, okay? This is usually going to remove a couple of FPS from your video game, so it's a good idea to turn it off if you're struggling with these things. And now, the most important thing in here is probably dynamic resolution, which I recommend you turn it on if you're really struggling, and keep the resolution scale to maybe 80 or 90 and see if that's going to help. I also recommend this if you're having a lot of FPS issues, because this is going to reduce the quality by a lot. So yeah, the upscaling, however, you can actually turn this on, and this is gonna basically improve the performance a lot, but it's not gonna really matter a lot in terms of quality, okay? Especially if you select, FSR, which is the AMD basically. However, if you select performance, you're gonna notice it, okay? So I'm gonna recommend that you select either balance or quality, either one of these ones, unless you're really struggling. And for the rest of the options, just keep them basically to low. Okay? Thank you so much.